In this email, I will walk you through the process of setting up the iControl 1000 software from Link 4 so that it will notify you when there's an alarm situation in a greenhouse. First, you go to Setting, Automatic Notification. Click on Enable Automatic Notification System. Now here is where you would put in the information provided to you from your IT department about the email server that you have. Link 4, we have provided a set of default parameters to be used for evaluate and test this software setup. It should be noted that these settings are meant to be used for evaluation and testing purposes only. It should not be used for critical applications. So for now, let's just use that. And then you put in the email addresses that you would like the email to be sent to. So for us, we put link4corp@gmail.com. Custom email, let's say link4 greenhouse alarm. Subject, and then for the email body, let's put there has been an event in the greenhouse. Please investigate immediately. The system will append other messages on here to help you find out what actually went wrong in the greenhouse. Right now, just leave it as default, so it will notify on communication failure, timeouts, or alarm, and just leave these as defaults for now. And let's click on the test email button. Click that, and email should be sent out. So I'm going to go to the email inbox, check that, and then email came in. So click on that. You'll see that the system has sent me an email saying that there has been an event in the greenhouse. Please investigate immediately. And that's all there is. So I will click OK. Now let's evaluate how it works in a real case. The way I would do that, let's say I go setting, I will simulate a communication timeout. Let's say the wire was cut or something like that. So in order to simulate that, I will change this to COM1 update, and you see the system cannot communicate with the hardware anymore. So now the communication has been lost. So this is what we would consider to be an exception, and you would see an error that would pop up soon. Right now the system is trying to get snapshot and it can't. It go orange. One of the things that we should notice, go back to the notification. This is the communication failure, and it will look for 3 or more consecutive failure before it would send out notice. So let's give it a little bit of time, and then once it does, let's see, refresh. Oh, now there's 2, and let's click at this one. You see this now, it said there has been an event in the greenhouse, please investigate immediately. iControl communication received timeout. Data was sent iControl, but no response was received. So the system notify you when there's an event like this. One thing I should mention also, that in here, if you want to send email to your phone as a text message, you can format the email in a way that it will send to your phone. That is different from depending on which carrier that you have. So you can check with your carrier, or you can just use Google the phrase how to send email to text messages, and it should tell you how. Usually it's your phone number, and then something that is specific to your carrier.